What's up, YouTube? I've been investing $50 every week into the S&P 500 ETF VOO for 2 years, 4 months, and 2 weeks now. By far, I've achieved a 31.2% return rate. If you believe in getting wealthy through consistent long-term investing, check out my detailed weekly update in this video. This week marked the beginning of the Q3 earnings season, and we are already seeing some really impressive numbers from the big players. Take Taiwan Semiconductor for example. They posted a whopping 36% increase in net revenue compared to last year, driven by the growing demand for AI applications. With results like that, it's no surprise that the S&P 500 hit a new record high by Friday, climbing about 0.9% from last week. Pretty impressive way to kick things off, right? This also gave my portfolio a nice bump. I made my $50 VOO purchase this week around 9 a.m. on Wednesday, bringing my total holdings to 14.9 shares. The current value of my portfolio is $8,003 with a profit of $1,903. That's about 31.2% in terms of rate of return. Now take a look at this chart. It's a snapshot of my entire investing journey so far. With barely any extra effort, we've been on a 7-week winning streak, racking up nearly a 9% gain in less than 2 months. That's the beauty of dollar cost averaging. We grab more shares when the market dips and simply ride a wave when it's on an uptrend. If you are new to the stock market and want to find a worry-free way to make profit, why not join me on this journey? All it takes is $50 a week, a little bit of consistency and patience. If I can do it, you can do it better. Hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you next week.